the Acta Orion, which is specifically operated for the construction and maintenance phases of offshore wind farms. This vessel, with an overall length of 1,161 feet and a width of 171 feet, is also equipped with a Lachendeck Knuckle Boom Crane or KBC, which can be used to move or install wind turbine foundation in the middle of the sea. Not only is its crane extraordinary, but this ship, which was first launched in 2015, is also specially designed to offer comfortable accommodation and workspace for its 98 crew members during the construction and maintenance of offshore wind farms. Another OSV, the Edda Passat, also has an equally interesting life inside. Built in 2017, the Edda Passat only began operating in March 2018 and sails under the Norwegian flag. It has an overall length of 869 feet and a width of 184 feet. This vessel, constructed by the company Astilleros Gondan, has a draft of 59 feet and a total weight of 11,840,659 pounds. It is powered by Rolls-Royce diesel engines which can generate 14,000 horsepower. This ship can accommodate 60 people, consisting of 20 crew members and 40 technicians. The Edda Passat has fuel tanks that can hold up to 1,120,520 US gallons and a freshwater production unit in the form of reverse osmosis. The ship's navigation system is also very complete and modern, ranging from radar, compass, autopilot, DGPS, echo sounder, and much more. On its deck, there are several types of cranes for various purposes, such as deck cranes, offshore cranes, and tugger winches. In fact, this ship is primarily intended as a special accommodation vessel for crew members working on offshore wind farm projects. Next, there is the Nexus, which is a cable-laying OSV built at the Damon Galati shipyard in Romania. In 2015, this ship was operated by the Dutch international contractor Van Oort. Van Oort itself has been involved in various offshore projects, ranging from the installation of offshore oil drilling platforms to the construction of offshore wind power plants in northwestern Europe. The Nexus itself is assigned to assist in the construction of offshore wind power plant projects. This ship, which is 1,322 feet long and more than 292 feet wide, is equipped with a sophisticated dynamic positioning system and a 12,149,952 pound carousel. Not only that, but the Nexus is also equipped with a cable coursal with a capacity of more than 12,149,952 pounds and an offshore crane. This enables it to install heavy and long export cables. Nexus's first project was the construction of the Gemini offshore wind farm, precisely off the northern coast of the Netherlands. In this project, which is planned to be built along 85 miles, the Nexus is tasked with installing electrical cables on each of these turbine blades.